Ever found yourself staring at your Uphold balance, wondering exactly when those funds will land safely in your bank account? You're not alone. Understanding the timeline for withdrawals on any platform can feel like navigating a maze, and Uphold is no exception. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the answer you're looking for. How long does it really take to get your money from Uphold? The truth is, there isn't a single, one-size-fits-all answer. The time it takes for your Uphold withdrawal to process depends on several key factors. Think of it like ordering food online. The delivery time isn't just about how fast the restaurant can cook. It also depends on the payment method, the delivery service, and even the time of day you place your order. Uphold withdrawals work in a similar way. One of the biggest influences on withdrawal times is the destination of your funds. Are you withdrawing to a linked bank account, a debit card, or an external cryptocurrency wallet? Each of these options comes with its own processing speeds. Withdrawals to linked bank accounts are generally the slowest. You can typically expect these transfers to take anywhere from 1 to 3 business days to reflect in your account. This time frame accounts for Uphold's processing time and the standard clearing procedures of the banking system. Weekends and public holidays can also extend this wait time, so keep that in mind when planning your withdrawals. Opting for a withdrawal to a linked debit card can often be faster. While it's not instantaneous, you might see the funds in your account within a few hours to 1 business day. This quicker turnaround is due to the established networks and faster processing times associated with card transactions. However, it's worth noting that not all banks support instant or faster debit card deposits, so your individual experience may vary. If you're looking to move your funds to an external cryptocurrency wallet, the processing time is largely dependent on the specific cryptocurrency network and its current congestion. Some blockchain networks are known for their speed, with transactions confirming in minutes, while others can take significantly longer. Uphold itself typically processes crypto withdrawals relatively quickly, but the bottleneck can often be the blockchain confirmation time. You'll usually be able to track the progress of your transaction on the respective blockchain explorer. Beyond the destination, the verification level of your Uphold account can also play a role. New users or those with basic verification levels might experience slightly longer processing times as Uphold conducts its due diligence. Ensuring your account is fully verified with all the necessary documentation can help streamline future withdrawals. Another factor to consider is the time of your withdrawal request. Just like with any financial institution, there might be daily cutoff times for processing. If you initiate a withdrawal close to or after the cutoff, it might not be processed until the next business day, thus adding an extra day to your waiting time. Finally, although less common, technical issues or maintenance on either Uphold's side or the receiving institution's side can occasionally cause delays. Uphold usually communicates any significant outages or maintenance periods to its users, but it's always worth checking their status page if you experience an unexpected delay. So, getting money from Uphold can take anywhere from a few hours to several business days, depending on your withdrawal method, account verification status, the timing of your request, and the efficiency of the receiving institution or blockchain network. While Uphold aims for speedy processing, these external factors often have the most significant impact on the overall timeline. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.